Hello, and welcome to our instructional video on simplifying the integer exponent problem 2 raised to the power of 2 plus 4 raised to the power of 2. In this video, we will walk you through step by step on how to solve this problem and simplify it to its final answer. So, grab a pen and paper, and let's get started. To begin simplifying the integer exponent problem 2 to the power of 2 plus 4 to the power of 2, the first step is to understand and evaluate each exponent separately. First, let's consider the expression 2 to the power of 2. This means multiplying 2 by itself one time. So 2 times 2 equals 4. Therefore, 2 to the power of 2 equals 4. Next, we move on to the expression 4 to the power of 2. This means multiplying 4 by itself one time. So 4 times 4 equals 16. Therefore, 4 to the power of 2 equals 16. So far, the expression 2 to the power of 2 plus 4 to the power of 2 has been altered to 4 plus 16. The next step will be to add these two results together. To add these two results together, we take the simplified values of each expression and combine them using basic addition. The expression 4 plus 16 results in a sum. To find this sum, we simply add the two numbers together. First, take the number 4, then add 16 to it. 4 plus 16 equals 20. Therefore, the simplified form of the integer exponent problem 2 to the power of 2 plus 4 to the power of 2 is 20. This is the final step, and no further simplification is needed. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.